Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, milling machines, lathes, saws, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a very nice saw that we just went through. This is a Peerless saw. Has a 16 by 16 inch capacity. It has an automatic bar feeder that goes up to 72 inches. Right here is where you're going to measure it. Right now we have it at 12 inches. You can see it's marked all the way through. We can move it. We have a fine adjustment. Go all the way down here to 72 inches. It's a single index, so it can only go in one time, so you have a maximum of 72 inches each time. It's going to automatically feed the material to whatever material length that you set. So we set it at 12 inches. So right now it's going to go ahead and feed the material all the way out until it's finished with the material, and it'll cut at 12-inch lengths. Now, of course, we're using wood right now. This is a metal cutting saw. It can do metal, aluminum, just about anything. Just check on the different speeds and different blades. So first thing, we're going to go ahead, we're going to clamp the rear vise right here. We're going to make our trim cut, so we have it out a little bit. Right now we have our blade speed at close to 350 feet per minute. We can adjust that right here if we have to. Make it faster or slower. Right here is your hydraulic down feed. That's going to control how fast it's going to come down. All these are going to play a factor in what your material you're cutting and how fast it's going to cut it. So we'll go ahead, now we have the rear clamped. We have it set at 12 inches. We're going to turn it into automatic mode. There you go. It'll automatically start cutting the first trim piece that we have, so you know you're going to be exactly where you're at. You can notice the back shuttle here has moved to 12 inches. And now it's going to feed the first piece into it at 12 inches. Now, one of the really unique things about this saw that you don't see on most automatic saws is that you can do miter cutting. You can cut a 45-degree miter on this in automatic mode, which is a really nice feature. We'll show you that in just a second. And you could also use this machine in manual mode if you need to. Let me show you some of the pieces back here. So the first piece we have is this is trim cut. This is going to make sure you're square and get your every piece afterwards. We'll make sure it's going to be 12 inches. You can see all three of these pieces, all exactly the same size, same height. Nice, clean, quick cuts. And of course with metal it'll be a nice cut as well. Now here's how we're going to go ahead and make this a mitering machine. With the touch of this one little handle, it's hydraulically driven to move out. You'll see the whole head turns. Right now, right here is your degree factor, and right now it's at about a 20-degree angle. Now, one nice thing about the head turning, with a lot of the other saws that you could do mitering on it with a vise, but the problem with that is you're going to have the vise, and you're going to have to turn your material all the way out, depending on whatever direction it is. So this will make it really nice. It keeps everything else straight. The only thing that's going to move is this rear part. And it'll go out to a 45-degree angle. And of course you can still set everything into the automatic mode. It'll do everything the same exact way. It'll do all the clamping and all the feeding, all the way into whatever lengths that you need. If you're interested in this saw or any other saw, we have horizontal, vertical, automatic. Please give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.